Welcome to Echoes of Grace. Today, we learn from the timeless wisdom of Saint Francis of Assisi. In the middle of life's noise and pressure, his words still carry a powerful message of peace. Saint Francis prayed, "Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope." This is more than a prayer. It is an invitation to become an instrument of grace. Saint Francis believed that peace is created, not found. Hope is planted, not stumbled upon. And love is offered, not demanded. When life feels heavy, or the world feels divided, remember this truth. You can plant hope. You can bring peace. You can shine light in someone's darkest moment. Start today with small acts, a gentle word, a moment of prayer, an encouraging message, a simple act of kindness. These seeds grow. These seeds matter. These seeds transform hearts. Lord, make us instruments of your peace. Let your grace echo through our lives, our words, and our actions. This is Echoes of Grace. Thank you for watching. May God bless you with peace and hope today.